So it's maintenance time. Actually, it's a bit over maintenance time. I rode over and got myself the cheapest oil that has 10 to 30 MA2 and at least SG. I don't stare at brand names. That's the specifications the oil needs to meet, and I got OEM filters. Actually, I rode a few extra miles to get OEM. The local shop only had some K and N tuning filters. Why? Because I like to say the manufacturers have guys that do nothing but R&D and testing all day, every day for decades on end. And they develop the shit that works. The tuning companies may know, it's possible that they know more about engines, but I doubt it.